Alright everyone, so I just sold the Dyson DC65 and I think it's time that we vacuum the garage. I was having a hard time trying to figure out what I can use, and I decided to use the Elite Rewind 2009 one. So it needs refurbishment, so I'm not too worried about it. So this will be the first time I'll be trying it, and it needs a new brush nozzle. But anyways, here we go. Hope you guys enjoyed that. More content comes soon on this thing. It's gonna be my new daily, maybe, we'll see, but got quite a bit of stuff up. Thanks for watching, everyone.